Okay, now we're going to do the quick soak method on our beans, and we've got pinto beans again. We'll open those up and we're going to measure out 2 cups of beans, and that's about a pound of beans. And remember that 1 cup of uncooked beans equals 2 to 3 cups of cooked beans. So there's a little bean that doesn't look very good. We're just looking for rocks or stems or any foreign objects or beans that look bad. So we're going to put these in our pan. Oh no, in our colander. I guess you can edit that part. Okay, we're going to put them in our colander. And then we're going to sort the other cup of beans. Okay, those all look good. So we'll put those in the colander. We have to wash these beans because they have dirt on them. So we're just going to go run water over them really good. Now we're going to put them in the pan. You want to have a large, heavy pot. And you want to put 8 to 10 cups of water on those. I think we're going to, that's 4 cups right there. We'll see what another 4 cups looks like. That looks good. Okay, and remember we're going to do the quick soak this time. So for this method, we have them in the pan. We boil them for 2 minutes only. So we're going to turn on our stove and just kind of keep an eye on them. When they start to boil to a full boil, we'll start timing our 2 minutes, and then we'll go from there. Our beans have come to a full boil, so we're going to, we'll turn them down just a little just so they keep boiling, and then we're going to set our timer for 2 minutes. Our 2 minutes is almost up. We're going to cover them and take them off the heat. And we're just going to let them set there for an hour, and then we'll come back and go from there. Our hour's up. We're going to drain off the soaking water. And they've increased in volume quite a bit. Then we'll put our beans back in the pan.